Okay, this the star of the moment. I'll just say is here. Let's unbox. Oil jar. Then we'll have this fashion toothbrush holder. So next, cute sandwich maker. Have the manual. Let's see. This is it. Ooh, wow. Let's see. Okay. Okay. This is usual. And those are my cups. Oh wow. Like I said, I'm going to prioritize juicing because after like this year I've been in and out of the hospital because of plenty stomach issue. Before now I used to juice often, but I got busy, but I stopped. I have a new juicer. I'm going to prioritize juicing for myself and my family. No more fizzy drink. Now we are sticking to fresh juice. Actually had a good buy. This is all I got. But sometimes I give my kids all the packet children juice. But now we're going to prioritize our glow, our detox, um, everything. Stay tuned to see the beautiful recipes that I'll be sharing with you guys. Thanks for watching.